Hi students. So the question under doubt is this. Student asked this question as a doubt. A horizontal wind is blowing with the velocity v towards northeast. Okay, a man running towards north with acceleration a. Time after which the man feels the wind blowing towards east. Okay, so that is, suppose the north, south, east, west. This is how we need to mark if we get north, east, south, west, these kind of questions. Okay, so suppose here the wind is blowing in the northeast direction. So we can say the angle here is 45 degree. So if we resolve this velocity of wind which is given as v, we can take this as v cos theta and this is v sin theta. So this is nothing but v cos 45 1 by root 2. So we can write this as v by root 2 and this is v sin 45. So we can mark this as again v by root 2. So this is the components of velocity of wind, which is nothing but v. Now velocity of man is what? In what direction man is running? He is running in the north direction. He is running in north direction. With what velocity? There is mention like there is acceleration. So he might be running, the velocity of man is nothing but u plus at. So he starts running. So we can take the initial velocity as 0. So velocity of man is nothing but at. All right. Now the question is, time after which the man will feel the wind blowing towards east. Okay, so he feels like there is wind blowing towards east. No wind is blowing towards north direction. So velocity of man with respect to velocity of wind in the north direction, must be 0. That is, velocity of man must be equal to velocity of wind in the north direction. If this is equal, then this relative velocity of man with respect to wind will become 0. So for this to be equal, velocity of man, he is already running in north direction, this must be equal to the vertical component or north component of wind must be equal. So we can write from all these inference, we can write velocity of man is what? 80. This must be equal to v by root 2. So time is what they are asking. So t is equal to v by root 2a. v by root 2a. So this, at this point of time, after this time, he will start feeling that velocity of wind is towards east because he starts running at the same velocity of wind. Which velocity? This north component or this vertical component of velocity of wind will be equal to man. That time he feels that his velocity, wind's velocity is already towards east direction. Okay, so this answers this, the answer of this question. Thank you, students.